So vibrant and surreal. He mingles with the players, and this would be, of course, one of the keepsake photographs forever for each one here.
We'll have a look at the lineups of the team. 4-3-3 from the ITBP. And here's a team who has been doing very well lately. Karbi Anglong Morningstar. They go to the 4-3-3 as well. A new page in the history-rich storybook of the Indian Oil Durand Cup, as ITBP make their Durand Cup debut, while Karbi Anglong Morningstar, they eye for a bigger and brighter future in Indian football.
Very difficult. We can see again some slick passing move. They're able to really be a threat on the shoulder and opportunities to get in behind the back line early.
Ashray Kumar cuts inside, has a couple of options in the box. Slightly overpowered above both the players waiting. And Ben does well under pressure, but they're not really finding those through passes being covered so well. That is a late lunge, and that might be trouble. It was straight to his shins, and which color will it be? It is a straight red. And the moment he went into the challenge, it seemed like something's not really gonna happen in their favor with that decision, and it is so.
Have to have a look at the replay again, as it was just slightly taken away. It's so high, it's dangerous, reckless, endangering an opponent. You can only see one outcome, one decision. That's a straight red card.
And Ben has been sent off, and Karbi Anglong are down to 10 men. And Mangte to deliver. It looked like a touch from the defender. It will be the first corner for ITBP, and now they have to defend set pieces with a man less on the pitch. And Pulung, a lot of flight on that. More power as well. He just shies away from all the attackers once more. And once more a mistake. Lunmin Len is in the area. Can he get the goal for Karbi Anglong? Dribbles past two. And there is the first for Karbi Anglong Morningstar. They were looking for some hope. And with one man down, they take the lead against all odds. And in some style that have to praise the quality of this youngster. The way he takes on the defenders and finds the bottom corner.
Absolute defensive mix-up in the back, not for the first time we've seen, but lovely composed, maybe an opportunity to square it.
But they do have the ball, and they do look for a goal, and spilled out by the keeper, and on the second attempt makes the save. Looks like a goal kick has been given. Lunmin Len is surprised. That was a sudden surprise for the keeper as well. The shot from Hemba Mete, way out.
Oh, he's incredible. You're looking there, he's going to whip a cross in. There's two players towards the back post. Has he seen the goalkeeper move early? But again, he just strikes through it. And brave goalkeeper to come out after spilling the first one.
They need to release the passes quick enough before the defense can react. Oh, interesting pass. The defense is beaten. The flag has stayed down. And there it is. They are back in the game. And it is Pulung Taimari.
We can just see the ball played through. Three men go up offside, opposite fullback stays, and it's a beautifully crafted finish. Takes it again, calm. Goalkeeper not able to do anything to try and palm it to the side. It's a wonderful goal.
Quick exchanges, a lot of space on the left. Pulung has switched flanks, a curler, and a curler that curls wide instead. And he has been looking dangerous. And not many appeals, and once again a sloppy pass, and has the defense switched off. Lalwa Kima, the flag went up as well as the shot over the crossbar.
Stop anything going through, but you mentioned that high line.
Oh, that is a wonderful pass through, but there was a scare that the flag will go up. It has gone up a bit late. Sit low, no changes made so far. We're reaching the hour mark of the game. A space on the right. Closely being watched by the captain. Sri Kumar steps away, two in the box waiting. And a fantastic finish to get ITBP on the lead. Hemraj Pajel with a first timer. beats the keeper in some style.
Goes up against his fullback 1v1. Love to see it. Creativity. Then just cuts it back and a sweeping finish. What a goal to put your side in the lead. Brilliant finish to make it 2-1.
Just went through with the strike, power packed. Oh, slight mistake. And space is left open on the right. Once again, Sri Kumar. A lot of space to operate. One man to beat. Finds Mangte there. A wayward attempt.
And we do know that that area has been vulnerable for them. Victor Jackson is filling in as the left centre-back admirably, but just not able to quite deal with the ball down the side. And again, not dissimilar to that first goal, but this time the decision is to try and come back onto the left foot and shape it into the corner. Gets his legs all tangled and is not able to capitalise on a good attacking move.
Lalu Kima now. He likes to take on defenders, and this time it was on target. A slight spill by the keeper, but he had the covering. Nisham grinded in across, just slightly away from Lunmin Len Hauke. Almost perfectly done by Sri Kumar there. This time he will avoid that offside marking once again. Sri Kumar driving in, has found the man who almost found that bottom corner, Solomon Mangte. Very acrobatic attempt, but missed by margins. And here's Pujel, he's through on goal with the outside of the boot. Tried something cheeky, but missed the target.
Emraj again through on goal. Karbi Anglong Morning Star on this occasion.
We felt there was no touch in the way. Let's sit low. Probably run down the clock again. Or maybe not. Maybe try something out here, and that is a mistake. The better option would have been to sit out there down the corner. Sujit almost through. They still might have a chance. Risky, the keeper is out, and a mistake from the keeper. Can they convert? Well, no is the answer. And how scary was that for ITBP for a moment?
And this wonderful opportunity that we've had in Group D, as we see it come through, goalkeeper trying to take everything with it, misses everything. Could have been in big trouble if he didn't.
And there goes the full-time whistle. And a stealth show to seal the game from ITBP. And they have the first 3 points on their debut game in the Durand Cup. At full time, it is ITBP 2 and Karbi Anglong 1. And what a show from these boys. Determined, never gave up, but have to give credits to Karbi Anglong with 10 men. They put up a fight till the very last moment.